Shit.
I just got a new bike and it's yellow blue. Damn. I've been marching with the RM Army. How about you? Let's go. Had a different bike, but now I got the new Zook.
Say what?
You can try to beat us, but you number 2. No offense to Coop, I just threw the coupe. Call it U-Haul, the way I'm making moves. Now I'm 97, but I'm always 7 deuce. They just officially put me in top 100, all approved. I like that new color, yellow, blue. Yeah. I seen what you riding, I was like, oh. You gotta get on a brand new 450 Suzuki. You ain't gotta ask me, you could ask CR22. Damn. We gonna win, we gonna beat the shit, call us Winnie the Pooh. Coming in hot, staying cool, that's what we do. I've been sick my whole life, like I got the flu. Just double check my temp, yup, 722. Damn. I just got a new bike and it's yellow blue. I've been marching with the RM Army, how about you? Let's go. Had a different bike, but now I got the new Suzuki. Say what? You can try to beat us, but you number 2. Yellow, blue.
What's up, guys? Jake Pogo, number 645 on the Zook from Connecticut. Race New England, NESC, some natties, and then I just bonched with the boys.
Hell yeah. Let's start with the bike. What about the pipe?
Right now I got the T6, the Pro Circuit slip-on. Cost effective. She makes it nice and throaty. Shout out to Pro Circuit. Had a little mishap with the mount. It cracked and backed out some of the rivets on the mount on the can, and no hesitation, they as long as I sent it in, they checked it out, said yeah, it's smoked, and they sent me another one for nothing. So shout out to Pro Circuit for that. Definitely would recommend them over FMF.
Why?
I rode some FMFs and the carbon cones blow out. I didn't like that. And when you reach out to them, they drag their feet, they hem and haw. Pro Circuit was on top of it, so definitely dialed on the slip-on stock header. This is my 18 practice bike. It's pretty much stock, except for a few things. I did the suspension because that's definitely key. I go with the Race Tech Gold Valve kit. I had Motorworks set that up for me, and I really like it. It definitely works a hell of a lot better than stock. It makes the bike feel like it's more planted, like coming into breakers, and it seems like it tracks straighter when you're accelerating out of like corner or rut, especially if you got acceleration bumps too. So yeah, that stuff's pretty dialed. I would definitely recommend it.
You got a stock tune or?
Yeah, right now I got the stock chip in there. You could freaking, I mean, I know these things are a little primitive. You can't do it with the Wi-Fi like a big high-tech Yamaha guy, but just got the chip. I got the stock one in there. I'm thinking about putting the bark chip in there for sure. See if you know, she's got a lot of ponies she pulls, but the bark chip might just give me that extra edge that I need out there on the course with the boys. So I'm gonna throw the bark chip in there for the rest of the week and see how she likes it. I got the 2-stage start device. This one's low and this one's super low. I only use the top one, if I even use the start device at all, depending on how I'm feeling that day and what the start is like, concrete or dirt or what. But yeah, I rock the Serbi's hand guards because I like Travis Pastrana. I do a lot of heel flickers too, and yeah. Oh, what I did recently was I put these Renthal Reed Windham bends on. They're a little higher than stock. I like it because it gives me a little more room in the cockpit, you know, when I'm cornering and stuff, and overall comfortability with the hog, stock levers, ODIs. I always run the ODI lock-ons just because I've had a lot of bad experience with grip glue. I think I might have a little PTSD from it because a couple times, you know, you got to get that shit on there before it sets or you're fucking cutting those grips off.
Yeah.
You know?
Oh yeah.
You don't want to fuck around with that, so definitely lock-ons for sure. What we got? Tusk. Shout out to Tusk. I'm not gonna lie, everybody bags on the Tusk wheels for $550 a set. Sometimes you can even get them cheaper than that, closer to $500. You can't beat it. They're good. I've flat spotted OEM wheels more than I've flat spotted Tusks. To be honest with you, if it wasn't my own doing, I don't think the Tusks have ever failed me. I mean, I lost a couple spokes last trip and I ran it anyway, and it ended up blowing out the wheel. But I mean, that's to be expected. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. She's pretty stock. I got her blacked out. That's just how I like bikes. Black. These guys right here, Thrill Seekers seat covers. This cover has about 100 hours on it, and that's no bullshit. 100 hours on this seat cover. Do you see a rip in it, dude? I don't see any rips in it. I've had a handful of other brands. I can't think of them off the top of my head, but they always tear right at this bottom piece, like the curve. Nothing. So definitely spend the money to get yourself a Thrill Seekers. And they got the dialed patterns, like the fully custom rig. Whatever you want, they'll get it done for you. Yeah, man. As for tires, I just I don't know. I got the Dunlop on there right now because she was pretty soft, that packed the other day. I like that paddle tire. It's dialed. The Pirelli paddle tire is sick too. That's pretty much it.
Sweet.
Yeah, that's the hog. Thanks guys for checking out New England Riders Corner Bike Check with Jake Pogo. Follow me at PogoJ54 on the IG. That's it. We out.
How about you? Let's go. Had a different bike, but now I got the new zook. Say what? You can try to beat us, but you number 2.